Welcome back to Learn PowerPoint with Hector. In this lesson, we'll dive deep into image handling techniques in PowerPoint. Among all PowerPoint elements, images are arguably the most essential component. Let's begin our lesson. First, let's explore the four most common image formats used in PowerPoint. The first format is JPEG. This is the most common image format. The image is confined to a rectangular frame. It's particularly suitable for regular photographs. The second format is PNG. Its key feature is transparency support. The third format is SVG. This is a vector format. Watch as I zoom in. No matter how much we enlarge it, the edges remain crisp. It's perfect for icons and simple graphics. The fourth format is GIF. Its main feature is animation support. It also supports transparency. It's great for simple animated elements. Now let me demonstrate PowerPoint's image gallery features. First, let's set up quick access. Click the Insert tab, find the Pictures drop-down menu, right-click on Stock Images, select Add to Quick Access toolbar. This will make it more convenient for future use. In the Stock Images gallery, 365 users have access to more images. These are all high-quality pictures. Just click to insert them into your presentation. Now let me demonstrate the Icons feature. There are two types of icons here. One is filled icons, primarily using solid colors. The other is line icons, mainly using outlines. Let me show you how to modify icon colors. After selecting an icon, click Graphics Format, find Graphics Fill. Choose your desired color. Note that even for line icons, we change color in Graphics Fill, not in Graphics Outline. We can also convert graphics icons to shapes. Right-click the selected icon. Click Convert to Shape. Now we can adjust it in shape format. Change colors and resize. Next is the cutout people. You can choose based on different scene requirements, standing poses, sitting poses, and various postures. Different professional attire, various expressions and gestures. These character assets are all PNG format, perfect for interpersonal interaction scenarios. Next is the Illustrations feature. There are many themed illustrations here. You can search by keywords. Colors can adapt to your theme. Here are some tips for finding images through search engines. Filter by size, select large for high resolution. Filter by type, such as GIF. Filter by type, such as clip art or line drawings. Let me recommend some professional image resources. Pixabay and Pexels offer free commercial use high-resolution images. PNG Tree specializes in PNG format images. Wikipedia is great for logos. It might sound strange, but it's incredibly useful. Community members often upload vector versions of company logos. Flaticon is perfect for icons, offering vibrant collections where free users can download PNG format and premium users can access SVG format. Finally, let me demonstrate some practical image editing techniques. Picture styles. Select the image. Click Picture Format. Find Picture Styles. Choose your preferred frame style. Artistic Effects. In Picture Format. Find Artistic Effects. Choose Blur or other effects. Background removal. Select the image. Click Remove Background. Use marking tools to refine the selection. Pay special attention to hair and fine details. Click Keep Changes to finalize. Creating circular portraits. First set the crop ratio to 1:1. Choose Crop to Shape Circle. Adjust the area appropriately. You can even create frame-breaking effects. Today we've learned various image techniques in PowerPoint, from format selection to resource acquisition, from basic handling to advanced effects. These skills need practice in real-world projects. In our next lesson, we'll explore shape manipulation. See you then.